It's me, Mikey Pipe, and this is Daniel Leaks a Lot HVAC. That's the name of his YouTube channel. Check him out. We are going to post his first video, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but we're gonna take this video and give it to him, right? Because he needs some love. And I command you, Saint Mike commands thee to subscribe to Danny Leaks a Lot HVAC, his YouTube channel. There'll be a link down in the description box down below. Saint Mike commands thee. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button. I order you to smash that thumbs up button. If you don't care, if you don't do so, go play in traffic. All right, we're going to our next service call. For all of you who didn't play in traffic because you smashed up the thumbs up button, you're going to enjoy this video. This service call we are going on is a Rheem forced air, a Rheem HVAC system. So basically we have a Rheem gas-fired furnace, we have a cased evaporator coil, and we have an outdoor condenser. He has two thermostats in his house, one for the first floor, one for the second floor. And he has a damper for the first floor, damper for the second floor, and I believe he has a barometric bypass, you know, for too much airflow. Oh. Right? Now, the customer's complaint is, Daniel just went, oh. The customer's complaint is the second floor air conditioning does not work unless the first floor thermostat is also on and actively cooling. All right, Daniel, what do you think is wrong? What do you think is wrong?
It's on.
What did you just say?
Something with the damper.
Something with the damper. All right. Something with the damper, or something with the damper control. Well, right? Yeah. Or let's go back. Let's be dumb. Or you could have a bad thermostat. Possibly, but never overlook the obvious. But we're gonna stop for breakfast at the Tulip Deli on Tulip Avenue in Floral Park, and then we're gonna head over to this job in West Hempstead because I'm hungry. I need some breakfast. You want some breakfast too? Possibly. Okay, let's go get breakfast. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go feed the people. Let's go. Next service call. Oh, hello, pussycat. How are you? Oh, you don't have the... That's not the dog.
Yeah, that's not a big dog.
You got a different dog?
Yeah.
That wasn't the... You had a golden retriever, no?
That was a little... No. That's him.
That's him? You can let him go. You can let him go. It's a golden doodle?
Yeah.
You can let him go.
Now, I'm going to go downstairs with you.
Okay.
Go. It sounds big, right?
That's a mini golden doodle.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many pounds is he or she?
35, the most.
Yeah. What, okay, tell me what's going on. Second floor, no air conditioning?
You can try to go up here and you'll feel it. You're going to feel the heat now, right?
Yeah. Where's the thermostat?
The thermostat is in my room.
Let's see the thermostat real quick. Very little air coming out of there.
Nothing at all.
That's hot.
It's just starting.
All right, so 75, reading 79.
Yeah.
All right.
But it's not working at all.
I hear
And
it.
that's the only one that's on.
Oh, you want us to wear a mask?
Yeah?
We're vaccinated. No? Okay.
No, okay.
Okay. Nothing. Okay. Let's
That's
go
the
upstairs.
only one that's on. The one that says it's not.
Okay. Let's go see. All right, so it's nice and cold down here.
Too cold.
Too cold.
Yeah.
64 degrees. Woo!
It's like there's no control.
Where's the filters are clean? Where's the vent? Oh, on the floor. Hi, puppy.
And you see, it's 64 and it's
Oh, it's blowing.
and it's off.
Working to help your immunity.
They're reversed.
Things that it's
Yeah.
going to, like,
When did this happen?
it's actually directly.
Let me see. First, my daughter's room was not. There was no air coming.
Okay.
A little bit air was coming in my room, and then suddenly it just stopped. What is exactly the day that I called?
This one's closed. Oh, you're a good puppy. Hi. Okay, let's go downstairs.
And you see, this one is off, and the one upstairs is on.
Yeah. All right, let's go see.
When you do that, I think one of them is not working out there.
Light switch here. Right here. cold in here. Woo! It is cold. All right. Let's see. It's a Weather King furnace. There's the There's a barometric damper right there. Now let's go to the zone control. Something is messed up here.
Yeah.
All right. Take that. Let's see. Normal flashing. All right. Zone 1 is calling. Why is they reversed? How long has it been bottom for? Just recently?
Recently, I mean, 3 or 2 days ago, it stopped. But
Okay.
the summertime, my daughter had no air conditioning at all.
All right. Let's turn off. Daniel, go upstairs, top floor. Turn that thermostat off, and then I want to see what happens with the with this. It's deep in there. Look, it's in there. Well, actually, right there. Boom. Excellent. All right. The first thing we're going to try here is, again, we shouldn't have to do this, but we're going to take this damper wire and this one and reverse them. All right. So let's take these off, and we're going to put them over there. All right. So we reversed the damper wires from 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. And now Daniel's going to turn on the thermostat on the second floor, and let's see what happens. All right, we have tons of air still here on the first floor and nothing up there on the second floor. Let's try one more thing. Let's put both dampers on one, just to make sure that the damper opens and closes. On common and normally open.
No wire on it.
No, need a wire. What do we got? Nothing.
Nothing.
Go to the one down below.
Nothing.
Nothing. Go back to the one on top. That's 0, 0.
Oh.
Yeah.
25.
25. And you're on normally what? Closed?
Open.
Normally open. All right. Now let's turn off the thermostat on the second floor. Damper was stuck. This was here. This orange thing was down here. And I just took my nest screw that I still had in my hand, and I just pushed it there, and she opened up. Right? Now the thermostat in the master bedroom right here.
Yeah.
Let's turn that off.
Okay.
And then turn the first floor on. However, there's still air with velocity coming out of the first floor, right?
Yes.
And the first floor
Not as much velocity, but it's still
not like full, not fully on.
Yeah, not like full.
All right, but so significantly weaker.
Yeah, but I think it's just because like the other damper is open, so now there's air coming up here.
Correct. So let's go downstairs and see what we feel. Figured it out. Let's get into position. All right, see, she's closed. All right, turn that thermostat on. And let's see what happens. If it opens, she's getting replaced anyway, but it verifies. My first floor has 2 dampers, one for the front, one for the back of the house. The one for the back works. And the one in the front is stuck in the open position. Now this should have opened, but it's not. All right, so I'm gonna take that little screwdriver, hopefully. Try to balance myself here. Which I don't have. Okay, I'll use the knife. All right. There. See? She's stuck. Now she's working. Now air is going here. See that? All right. Daniel is going to turn off the second floor thermostat, and this should close because the first floor is on. But it's not. There we go. Look at that. Daniel. Yes. So the first floor was off, right? It's on. It was off though, right? It was on. It was on? Yes. Okay. Now, let's turn on the second floor thermostat one more time. I've already verified that this is bad, but let's turn that on one more time. And you'll see what this does. And it's not gonna wanna. All right, now, see? There it is. So we need to replace this. She's stuck. All right, see, stop using your pussy hands. You gotta close the door with authority. Kelvin used to always do that, by the way.
No.
And Godzilla never had a problem closing the door, by the way. Never, because he's Godzilla. All right, so you learned a lot today, didn't you? All right, so in this service call, the damper for the front part of the house is stuck open. The damper for the second floor was stuck closed. Buying him some time, because parts have been ordered, we removed the door or the damper for the second floor. So as long as second floor thermostat comes on, he's gonna get air. The only down part about that is as the first floor is on, air's gonna go upstairs as well. It is what it is, but at least it's not 70, 80 degrees outside, and at least he has cooling upstairs because his wife was hot and now she's cold. All right, hope you have a great one. I just uploaded a video, and I think this evening we're gonna live stream 20,000 subscribers. I think we're almost there. What do you think, Daniel? You think we're there already?
I think you're there.
You think I'm there right now? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on. Let me go to dashboard. Let's see. Are we there? Are we there? Yeah, we're there, buddy.
You are?
We're there.
It doesn't show up.
20,001 subscribers. 20,001 subscribers. Today is August 31st, 2021, and we have officially made it. Thanks to you guys. Much love. Live stream giveaway this evening. You're not going to want to miss it. Are you guys hungry? I hope you're starving, because we're about to give you some great, amazing content, and you're going to choke on it. You're going to be like, Mikey Pipes, please stop, I'm full. And Daniel's going to shove it down your throat. More. Total gluttony today in this service call. Not going to want to miss it. Make sure you thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's go. All right, first unit, actually service call. This is a building, commercial building in Rockville Center. We've been here a couple times for the landlord, which is the property owner. They actually do property management as well, but this happens to be their building, right? And we were here about 2 years ago when they first bought the building to do general assessment. That unit was not here. They had someone else install that. Why? I don't know. But let's take a quick look at this and how they did that. This is some of the hackery that you see in this world. Hackery. Look how they did this. What is wrong with people? What is the purpose of this cinder block? And why is the line set ran through there? Why didn't they run the whip through there as well? But complete geniuses. Look, they put one here, right? And they have one there, but what the F is the purpose of this? He's like...
So it doesn't make a trap?
Maybe so it doesn't get blown away. Hold on, is this thing even secured to this steel I-beam? No, it's just resting on here. You know, if we have a hurricane, by the way, those poor people in Louisiana and New Orleans, thank God I don't think it was as bad as Katrina though. But if we had a hurricane, look at that. If we had a hurricane, this thing would be blown right away. Blown right off. But maybe the cinder blocks will hold it back. Oh my God, I love it. And what's the purpose of this thing? It looks like there was a big boy here.
They left it on.
Yeah, left it on. It's crazy. And this is just the, that's going into the pitch pocket right there. Wow. Wow, 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 and wow. All right, let's take a look at all right, it works, right? It's all good. All right. Economizer, grill is shot. All right, some belts there. We have a Mitsubishi here. Some crazy creative ductwork here. I don't know what's up with this, but pretty creative. Actually, it's just to cover the other duct. Okay. All right. Good stuff. And by the way, is August 31st, 2021. and the channel officially hit 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. There's going to be a giveaway. Details on the live stream will be posted shortly. All right, let's go back to this York. Did you open this cover here, or this was open already? Look at this. Wow. Just unprotected. Crazy stuff here. Crazy stuff. All right, let's take a look at what's going on right now. We came up to this unit, and I heard the inducer motor drafting. It's ice cold, you know? It's cold, not ice cold. It's cold air, ambient temperature air, right? And it's actually cold. Yeah, this feels like cold. This doesn't feel... It feels like cold. But why would this be so cold? This is the air being sucked into the system by the inducer motor, goes through the heat exchanger, right? No, goes through these burners, goes through the heat exchanger, and it comes out here. The air conditioning is on, right? If this is cold, that means I got cold air. These compressors running? Or is that just me? No, nothing's running. Compressors are off. Maybe it's just my... all right, whatever. Maybe it just feels cold because it's under force. But nonetheless, the inducer motor is on. Let's take a look here. Lights flashing away. Got a lot of erosion there. Flashing. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Flame sense with gas off. First stage gas valve energized with W1, that's stage 1, heating is off. Second stage gas valve energized with first stage gas off. And check gas valve. It's not the gas valve, buddy, but it's the control. And this inducer motor needs to go anyway. Look at the condition of this inducer motor. New control board, new inducer assembly. That's unit number or whatever. Let's call this whatever we're going to call this. Let's call it that. Right, there it is. Take some info. I'll refer to this. One of the reasons I document most of my service calls, again, to see everything, but also because I can feed you. Because I know you're hungry. Aren't you hungry, Daniel? We're going to feed them. All right. We'll make note of this and go off to the next. But let's look inside there. And then we'll look inside here. How the filters look?
Terrible.
All right.
They're kind of dirty.
Okay. Extra belts there, I see. Good. Okay. The only issue I see with this one is heating control circuit issues. Go up to the